Hello, my strong seniors. Welcome back to our 60-day exercise series. Today is day 16, and we'll continue with 3 easy leg exercises to build strength, balance, and mobility. If you're new here, start from day 1, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay consistent. Exercise 1, chair, sit, and stand, strength and balance. All right, let us start with our first move, the chair, sit, and stand exercise. Take your sturdy chair and place it right behind you. Make sure it is stable and does not slide on the floor. Sit down fully, feet flat on the ground, shoulder width apart, and keep your back straight. Now, cross your arms gently over your chest or keep your hands on your thighs for support. This movement will strengthen your legs, hips, and improve your overall balance, one of the most important things for healthy aging. Now stand up slowly and sit down again. Keep your knees steady and your chest up. Breathe out as you stand. Breathe in as you sit. Ready? Let us count together from 1 to 50. Stay with me and keep moving. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your breathing steady and your posture tall. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, Great job, everyone. Stay strong and focused. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are halfway there. How are you feeling? Your legs might be warming up. That means you are getting stronger. Let us keep going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent effort. You are doing amazing. Just 10 more to go. Push through the final stretch with me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job, my strong seniors. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and give yourself a round of applause. You just completed 50 full set and stand repetitions. That is no small thing. This simple exercise keeps your leg muscles strong, helps prevent falls, and improves your ability to get up easily from a chair or bed. Keep practicing this daily, and you will notice your stamina and balance improving day by day. Exercise 2, seated leg raises, improves leg mobility and circulation. Now sit tall in your sturdy chair with your back straight and your hands resting comfortably beside you. Make sure both feet are flat on the ground. This exercise is wonderful for improving leg mobility and blood circulation, especially for those who sit for long periods. Straighten your right leg forward, hold it for a moment, then slowly lower it down. Now switch to your left leg, lift it forward, hold, and bring it down gently. Keep your movements controlled and steady. Remember, slow and steady movement strengthens your muscles more effectively. All right, everyone, let us go together and count out loud from 1 to 50. Lift your legs with confidence and stay tall. Ready? Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep breathing and stay with me. Lift that leg smoothly. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent pace. You are doing amazing. Feel that stretch in your thighs and your knees getting stronger. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are more than halfway there. How are you feeling? Tell me in the comments from which country you are joining us today. I love seeing our strong seniors from all over the world. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 'Wonderful control. Keep your legs moving. Do not stop now. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing work, my strong seniors. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You have just completed 50 full leg raises, strengthening your legs and improving your blood flow. This exercise keeps your joints flexible and helps prevent stiffness, especially in your knees and ankles. Practice it every day, and you will feel lighter, more mobile, and more energetic with each session. Keep that smile on your face. You are doing something truly great for your health. Exercise 3. Standing side leg lifts, balance and hip strength. Now stand tall behind your sturdy chair, holding the backrest lightly for support. Make sure your chair is steady and does not slide. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart, your posture straight, and your core tight. This exercise is excellent for improving your balance, hip flexibility, and lower body strength. We will lift one leg out to the side, only a few inches, not too high, and then bring it back down slowly. Switch sides after each lift so both legs work evenly. Remember, do not rush. The goal is to stay steady and strong with every lift. All right, ready everyone? Let us begin and count together from 1 to 50. Take a deep breath and let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful start. Keep your chest lifted and your core engaged. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent rhythm. Keep lifting gently. Control, not speed. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are halfway now. How are your legs feeling? You should feel your hips getting stronger with every repetition. Stay tall, stay balanced, and keep breathing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Beautiful form, my strong seniors. You are doing amazing. Just 10 more lifts. Let us finish strong together. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic work. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You have just completed 50 standing side leg lifts. That means you have worked your hips, thighs, and balance all at once. This movement keeps your hip joints flexible, strengthens your legs, and helps prevent falls by improving stability. Remember, consistency is key. Doing this every day will make walking, standing, and moving around much easier. You should be proud. Your balance and strength are improving day by day. You did it! That's your day 16 workout completed. Tell me in the comments, how are your legs feeling today? If you finished all 3 exercises, comment "I did it." And don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay strong with you. See you tomorrow for day 17. Stay active, stay young.